So you know Catherine's been pranking me and she's like 2 or 3-0 to me so far. So I decided we're gonna get her back. We are gonna put zip ties on her drive shaft so it makes it seem like something's broken or something's wrong and she's gonna freak out. Yeah. We drove your car. That's your car.
What is that? Stop, stop, stop. What is that? Babe. Are you serious? You're not pranking me?
Alright guys, so you know Catherine's been pranking me and she's like 2 or 3-0 to me so far. So I decided we're gonna get her back. So we are gonna put zip ties on her drive shaft so it makes it seem like something's broken or something's wrong and she's gonna freak out. So she has no idea. I'm out here, she's asleep still, so let's see if this works. Alright, so I can't get under her car, so we are gonna try to move it and see if I can't get under because we have like a little hill on our driveway. So I'm gonna move it like right beside the grass, or a little on the grass, and get under that way, see if I can do it because we gotta get this done.
Two hours later.
We did it. Alright, I'm gonna let y'all see if it works. See if you can hear it. Guys, it is so noticeable. We were finally gonna get her good. Excuse my hair from earlier. Oh, this is gonna be so freaking good. She's not had no idea. Okay, she's still asleep. Basically, what I did, I put zip ties on her drive shaft so when she drives, it sounds like the transmission's messed up and something's clanking on the bottom. She is gonna freak out. That car's like her baby. Oh, this is gonna be so good. She's not gonna expect a thing either. Oh, so good. So stay tuned. Stay tuned. What's up, guys? We're
Hey!
back for another video. I'm Tyler,
I'm Catherine.
and we're just gonna do whatever today.
I know today is like one of the first days that we're out.
And not have anything to do.
Yeah. Stores are open, so we got lots to do. I think I want to go to like Lowe's today.
She needs some new plants. She killed her plants.
I know, look, like this one's so sad. And then this one's so happy. And but I'm happy because usually I don't have a green thumb, so I kill like everything that I like touch. So I mean, the fact that these have been alive for like 2 months, I feel like that's pretty good.
Don't give Catherine anything alive because they'll die.
Look how pretty this is. Like, I've kept it alive for the most part. Just
I
not
guess
that
we'll
one.
go get more plants so she can kill
More
them.
plants. Oh,
Look at the
and-
plant. Look at my plants.
He'll do anything for those. Oh, and we have a really fun surprise that we're going to show you guys soon. We're working on a project inside of our house.
Oh,
We're
yeah.
transforming it into like a vlog room.
Oh, it's going to be so cool.
it's going to be amazing. We're going to go probably get paint today to paint some of the walls. Just a little bit of stuff to decorate the room with. And we're going to kind of show you some sneak peeks of what it looks like. It's going to be amazing. That's where you're going to see a lot of our vlogs happening soon. So I'm so excited. Like, I've been waiting this for so long.
It should be done soon. We just got to get some paint and then...
We already have wallpaper up.
We have to get the wallpaper finished, but
Yeah.
we got to paint, and then we're pretty much going to set it up. I mean,
our couch
in there. It's gonna be really cool.
It's gonna be awesome. And we had this custom sign coming in for the wall that says Lamb Fam for you guys. And I cannot wait to show y'all. It is like my dream sign. That one's like growing something underneath it. Feeling good. Like I should. Like I wish.
Copyright.
We can sing it.
Can we?
Yeah. You just can't have the music playing. We should go car shopping today.
Car shop?
Yeah. Show what kind of cars we're gonna be getting soon.
So, oh my God, fix it. So, we want a truck, and then eventually, she has a Jeep right now, but she wants a Jeep Wrangler, ones you can take the doors off and the roof off. That's gonna be like our summertime car.
So like, I love my car now because I have a Jeep Grand Cherokee Overland. It has been my dream car for the longest time, and I love it. Like, I don't ever want to sell this car. I love it so much. It's white, it's beautiful, everything. But I want a fun car too. For like the summertime, we'll go to the mountains, we'll go to the beach.
We drove your car. That's your car.
What is that?
Is your car messed up?
What was that? Sounded like it was running over a dead body or something.
What did you do to your car while I was at work?
It looks fine. No, I got a new tire the other day.
You did something. Did you run over anything? You see anything,
What
guys?
is that? Seriously. Babe.
Alright. You're not playing with me? You've been pranking me, so I...
You're pranking me.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
How would I prank you?
What's going on? That sounded really bad.
I don't even know anything about
Hold on,
cars.
stay out here.
Y'all, I don't know anything about
Stay
cars.
out here. I'm gonna give it up down the driveway and tell me.
I didn't do anything.
Where.
I swear. I did not do anything. How would I even do anything?
I don't know. I don't trust you. Hold on. I gotta take the brake off.
You seriously? It's not you. Oh.
There's something underneath
It
it?
has to be. Go forward. Yeah. It's so loud.
Oh, that's the one to the street. Hold on.
That don't sound good, honestly. Should we?
You're not playing with me, are you?
Something messed up. Don't. Hey, don't drive it. Pull it back in the driveway.
Stop. What is that? Babe,
Did you call your stepmom Travis?
you really don't know what that is? Sounds like it's underneath my car.
It sounds like something under. It's only when you drive though. So it has to be like something moving part when you're driving.
Baby, you need to get underneath this and look.
letting me drive away. Let's take my car.
Are you serious? You're not pranking me. What?
I did it.
What is wrong with you? What did you do?
I put zip ties around your drive shaft, so when you drive it sounds all messed up.
What even is a drive shaft?
Here, let me pull it back in so I can take them off so we can actually go somewhere.
What? I'm so confused right now. What the heck? This is not funny. I'm gonna get him back. I'm gonna mess up his car because his car is his baby. It's this little car right there. Oh my God, it sounds terrible. When did you do this?
I did it this morning. Wait till you see the footage. My hair is all messed up.
What? When did you film that?
This morning.
Wait, was I asleep?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
So I gotta take these off real quick.
Wait, I wanna see this.
You can't. I can barely fit under the car. You see the tire marks from earlier when I was trying to get it under there.
What kind of prank is this?
You thought your car was messed up. I couldn't let you go. I couldn't give a straight face, guys. It's my fault. I should have just kept going. I should have let her drive with it. But I gotta take them off. No.
Where'd you even get this idea from?
A friend told me about it, so I was like, that is perfect.
A friend told you that?
So,
who's this friend? Is it Maud?
No. It's Joel. Shout out to Joel. He told me about
Oh
it.
my God. Did he prank his wife or something?
No, he saw me.
Oh my God. I was like, maybe my tire's popping, but I couldn't see anything. I was looking at my tires. I thought you were maybe pranking me with like some pop things on the tire. This is what you get now. You gotta get underneath my car.
I'll show him.
I want to see it.
All right, right there. That's where I did it. That's where I put the zip ties. Oh.
Did you undo them?
No, I'll show him the camera first.
Oh. This is actually really funny. I don't ever see Tyler get underneath my car and do anything.
Because your car's new.
But it's just, I've never seen you do anything like this. I didn't even know we had zip ties. Now I get to watch this view because he pranked me, so. Now to actually go get something to eat because I'm so hungry. That was like a waste of 30 minutes.
I tried to feel concerned, but I couldn't help it.
You weren't super, because usually if something's bad, you're like, Catherine, like stop, like this is really bad.
That's what I was trying to do.
I know, but like, I thought something was up because you were like, I don't know. That just something didn't feel right about that.
Ooh.
This is like a heart attack waiting to happen.
What you got? What you got?
So we love Bobby's Burgers, and every time we come, we get different seasonings.
Ooh.
Go. We. I need a kid's burger.
We about to kill this.
Not wrong.
Alright, so we're at Lowe's now. Going to get some paint.
And I'm about to get some of these plants. Look how cute they are. Oh, I love them. Like that one.
She's going for pink.
Well, I'm not trying to like girly at the house, but one wall is like a palm print. So I feel like pink and palm always goes really pretty together. I don't know if that's just me. Tyler, what do you think? Tyler, what do you think we should do?
Not
We do
pink.
like a peach. Like a peach color. That would be pretty with palm.
It looks terrible on the camera.
It does. So this was my original thought.
Maybe like
Pink
the light,
color.
the really light.
That's what I was thinking. It almost looks white, but it has like a little bit of tint to it. Or that peach one. I don't mind the peach one. Coral mist.
The peach is a little too much. It's like a little too colory in my opinion. Apricot ice. Ice.
Ooh, what about this one? That really light one looks good. It's like in between all of these.
It's more close to this one.
Yeah. This is baby blush. I thought that would go pretty.
It's more pink. I like that one better.
This one's more like, it has a little bit more coral in it.
What do you think?
I like that a lot. Good day. Yay, he let me get the pink one. Can I show him what color that we got?
It's not gonna show up good on camera, but it's Rose Bluff.
Rose bluff. It's
No,
not focusing.
Buff.
Buff. Anyways, it's this really pretty like light pink one on the far end. It's gonna look really pretty next to the palm print. So we'll have to show y'all when we start painting.
We should
Thank you,
paint
babe.
today.
Thank you.
So Catherine wrote me in to go into Home Goods. So that's hopefully we don't
You just get me
spend...
taking a boomerang on Instagram. You just get me doing that.
Stuff happens.
Started doing the buggy and look where we ended up. The dog stuff.
No, it's not okay. We leave her all day. Well, not all day.
Whatever. Get her a toy. That's why you're her favorite parent. Little, he doesn't even let me buy her toy. So every time we go home, it's always, Dad gives you a new toy. It's fine. I'm not salty at all. It's fine.
Hey, so y'all want to see more Zaya on the channel? Because we'll include her. We love our little dog.
Yeah. Let us know if y'all want to see more of Zaya, our dog, because she is huge. She is so funny. But we will definitely. She does do crazy stuff that we don't ever capture. Like, oh, look at this little cat hanging thing. That is the cutest thing ever. Oh my gosh. That is so cute. Oh my gosh, y'all. We just had a lady walk up to us and tell us how cute we were. My day is made. That was so sweet. Tyler, where are you going? He's trying to run from me. Oh, the buggy is already full. We're not even through the whole store. Huh?
I said, what did I tell y'all? Spit.
Sorry, I can't see you. What are you saying? I'm so excited to get home and show them what it's gonna look like all set up.
Right,
I'm so excited.
Good.
It's gonna look so good. All right, we're gonna continue shopping. All right, so we've got a lot done. This wall is pretty much done. We have one more strip to do, but we ran out, so we have to get more this week. And then we're painting the rest of the walls pink to add some like girliness. It's gonna be really tropical. So I'm gonna paint this wall. So I'm gonna do a little time lapse so y'all can see. It's like so loud. But I think it's gonna be super pretty because we have a lot of decor that we got. Palm leaves everywhere, white and gold, modern stuff, all the things.
They saw.
Yeah, y'all saw. You gotta say it like that. So right now I'm gonna let y'all see Tyler do this. But other than that, everything's looking pretty good. I gotta go get up there and like do all that stuff, which I'm about to do now. And then hopefully we'll have something finished here soon. Hello. Say hello. She does not care. Tyler's over here putting one of the end tables together, but I wanted to show you guys what the vlog room looks like so far. By the way, this has taken like 3 days to do an outro / end of the video because we've been so busy. So we've got a lot done since the last time that you've seen it. So let me show you guys. Got that light in, looking super cool. These really cool light bulbs that Tyler picked out. And then we painted the whole room like this really pretty light pink color. Finished the wallpaper. Got the pink paint. And then we got this really pretty couch. And then Tosh put together one of the end tables. We also got this coffee table and cool little spiky thingy. And then this cool little setup over here. This cute little setup over here. The end table will also go right there. And then the only thing left that we have to do is put our hot pink neon sign that says Lamb Fam right here. So I'm super excited. Zaya loves this room. We keep the door open and she goes in here all the time.
This is her favorite room.
She loves it. So yeah, that's basically it. I'm gonna be posting some pictures on our Instagram, so make sure you follow us right here for when we finish it. I'm so proud of you for putting everything together. Now he put the light together, the coffee table together, the couch together, the end tables together, the TV up on the wall.
She helped paint.
I helped paint. But hey, I mean, if you couldn't have done it without me though, you know what I mean?
Nope.
So it is so cute and tropical in here, y'all. I'm freaking loving this wallpaper. Okay, I see you with the end table. Say, what do you think? All she cares about is her new ball. All she cares about is her ball. Yep, just walk all over the couch. Sit on the pillow. That's gotta be comfortable, right? Oh my goodness.
It's finally.
Oh, I'm
Say,
so
say.
happy. Say.
But yeah,
Oh, she
when
cares
it's
about-
finally done,
Uh-oh. Ball? Look at her face. She's like about to kill. Ball.
you don't mess up
Maybe
nothing.
we
does it?
shouldn't throw the ball in this room.
But I think it was a success.
I don't know, how do you feel about it with all the pink and everything?
It's definitely something to get used to
Oh,
as they break stuff.
but like, I feel like...
Oh God. But it turned out a success. I feel like it looks good. The bright lights really toned down the pink a little bit, so I mean, it's fine.
I feel like you kind of like the pink. The pink goes with the room because I feel like when you think of Hawaii and tropical, you think of like blue, pink, teal, green, white, ocean colors. I don't know, I love it. This is like my favorite little corner in the room.
This is like the only finished corner in the room.
Yeah, we gotta get that one down. But I love this corner and I love the little things on the walls. Look, I thought this went so well because we travel so often. So now we have like a map of all these places. And it's like all in Spanish, by the way. Did you notice that? Look. Florida. I don't know if I said that right. Look. Grand Ocean. All these crazy, they're all, it's in Spanish.
I guess we gotta learn Spanish now.
Hey, I took 4 years of it, but I still cannot speak it if anyone
No.
feels me.
But I think it turned out a success. I think it looks really good, other than the pink. But
Let us know what you think in the comments. If you like the room, what you would change, what you like most about it, anything like that, anything that we should add to it, leave it in the comments below. I can't wait till it's actually done when we get our really pink neon
I
light
think it'll
sign.
feel complete once we
That's
get the big
gonna
light
be,
up sign.
yeah. So we like our next vlog will probably be in this room.
We should do like
We have a really fun vlog idea.
we should. Oh, they're gonna really like next week.
I know, next week's vlog I already have planned out. It's gonna be so much fun. It's gonna happen in this room too. So I'm super excited. Make sure you turn on your notifications bell and subscribe to our channel.
So you can see it's gonna be really fun next week.
It
so
is gonna be fun.
You gotta watch.
It's gonna be a good idea for you guys to do too. So like, I can't
much
go
on
in
it.
too
No.
much.
But yeah, just make sure you keep checking up. And if you just hit the notification bell, I mean it'll tell you. But keep checking up, subscribe, like, and
All the things.
and comment Team Tyler.